Check out these amazing 1 in a billion moments in nature.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
आने नहीं देखो देखो आया जानता चुपचाप रहना ऐसे ही खड़े रहो कोई दिक्कत आई
That was a close call. The power of nature is truly outstanding. Look at how it easily turned the bus. These hikers were hiking in Argentina and quickly realized they were in harm's way.
뭐지? 터졌나? 아닌데?
상어가
아니다.
These hunters got unexpected visitation from these two bears.
Oh my god, it's like right in front of us. Oh my god. There is a freaking tornado out. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, there goes the trampoline.
Oh man! Whoa!
This mudslide was caught coming down a mountain in Switzerland.
Oh my god! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay,
Please,
it's
can we
okay,
go?
it's okay.
Please, can we
It's
go?
relax.
Voor mij heb ik deze wel eens op YouTube gezien. Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee. Is Davy?
Wat je hadden
Come under my jacket.
Scary how these hailstones are the size of baseballs.
No! Go away! Go away! Please go away! No, go away! Go away! No! No! Yeah, so that just happened. Wow.
That's the USGS crew up there.
Oh! Are you kidding me?
Oh!
This was the eruption of Mount Etna in Italy, which turned tourists into instant sprint runners. Nebraska had some crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
What's the whole lot's gonna go? Oh, is it moving out? It's moving. It is moving. It's gonna go. It's going. It's going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Jeez! Jeez!
Wow. Oh, that looks like it's coming here, though.
To us?
Yeah.
That's awesome! Oh, that is a massive python! Dude, that's gnarly.
I know. I know. Oh,
Don't get out.
no!
What's coming?
Little dippers down in the.
Wow, look at that. Race as well.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks on the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
Back in 2017, this was what it looked like driving to work in Los Angeles.
Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me!
Just look at this deadly rock flood with debris and boulders rushing by.
Oh, look at the trees. They are just snapping like twigs. Holy crap, you can hear it. Wow. This is freaking amazing. Wow, it is just owning this. Oh my god.
This will pick up a month of the whitewater boulders.
Woo.
These rivers have stayed clogged for the middle of April.
Wow. Incredible. Oh, I can't wait to send this to my geology professors. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I know. That's a tree! That's a freaking tree! It's a whole entire tree! There's another one!